In this video, we'll guide you through the process of comparing your baseline Slack data with the change data on Produce 8. This will help you determine whether the changes you've made in Slack have truly allowed you to recover focus time. If you haven't set up a Produce 8 account or measured your initial Slack baseline yet, check out our previous video where we walk you step by step on how to connect Produce 8 to Slack. After finishing a regular work week and collecting baseline data, you will have chosen a change to make. Following this, you'll spend another week working with the new conditions and gathering insights during this time. After that, it is time to jump into Produce 8 and see whether the change had made a positive impact. You can do this by reviewing the key metrics we're focusing on, which is interactions or how many times you check on Slack. Remember, our example goal is to reduce our baseline interaction by 25%. Let's see if we did that by comparing our baseline week with the change week in the metrics tab and selecting the appropriate time. Did your interactions in Slack decrease? If you hit your goal, that's great. That is a good sign that the change you made helped. If you didn't get the outcomes you were hoping for, don't feel discouraged. It means you can now take a careful look at whether you should let the current change continue for a bit longer, or we should try a different approach. And here's something positive. We have information that can show us whether a change is really successful or not. We're not just guessing about what works. The numbers gave us a clear understanding. So what next? Optimizing your workday is a work in progress, so there's always something to study. After your first experiment, here is what you can do. Number 1, you can keep an eye on the same study. While a lot can be learned from 1 week of data, having more data points will give you a better understanding of whether the change really helped you reduce distractions in Slack. Number 2, if you're satisfied with the results of the last change, you can start a new study by making another change. This can be a different Slack configuration or a personal behavior hack, such as using a Pomodoro timer or time blocking. If you ever feel unsure what to focus on, bring it back to the key metric, Slack interactions, to see if you're checking the messaging app less. If there are a lot of short interactions, examine what's causing it in Produce 8, and then make a change and see if that helps you regain focus for the work that matters. Also take a look at the average time you spend in the app. If that number is going up, it suggests you're engaging more deeply with the platform. With Produce 8's free plan, you have 21 days of data history, which gives you plenty of time to acquire data for your baseline and learn from your changes. As you run more changes, you'll notice that the whole team may benefit from understanding how they use Slack as well. Because Slack is a collaboration tool, we recommend sharing your insights with your team and inviting them to join in studying their workday as well. We offer a comprehensive guide to help you and your team get the most out of Produce 8 and take control of your workday. If you have any questions about Produce 8 and reducing collaboration distraction, reach out to us and request a demo. We'd love to help you reach your goals.